This video will show you how to replace the speaker assembly in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad T14S Gen 6 Snapdragon. You will need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, and 10 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard, flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Make sure to disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen 5 captive screws. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover assembly. Do not try to remove them. Starting at the hinges, pry up the cover to release the clips and remove the cover from the system. Disconnect the left speaker cable from the USB subboard. Remove the left speaker from the system. Disconnect the right speaker cable from the system board. Remove the right speaker from the system. Lower the left speaker into place on the posts in the system. Connect the left speaker cable to the USB subboard. Lower the right speaker into place on the posts in the system. Connect the right speaker cable to the system board. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten 5 captive screws. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. To learn more about your device, go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.